Have you tried acupuncture and been slowly getting gradually better? Are you curious about acupuncture and what it can offer you? Are you someone who has tried acupuncture and maybe have not had the experience that others have with their pain relief or stress relief, and you're continuing, but you're getting a little apprehensive about wanting to continue because you're not seeing the results that you want? Well, today I want to discuss how to maximize your acupuncture session each and every time. So let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in regular content like this, become part of our newsletter. Just follow the link below. We have a community of like-minded individuals as well. So if that is something that you're into, I would highly recommend you take advantage of it. There are a lot of great people involved with book clubs, health tips, habit tips. Everybody's got something. If you are looking for ways of getting healthier or maximizing your health or just getting a new perspective, then check out the Revitalize Your Wellness course as well. It's totally free, and it really dives into a lot of these 7 very common ways that you can treat yourself at home and kind of amplify your own wellness. Now, the first way to really amplify and maximize your session is have open communication and have intention with what you are going into your session with, whether it be pain relief, stress relief, digestive relief, whether you're looking to relieve a migraine or a headache, or you just need overall wellness. Whatever it is that you are going to see your acupuncturist for, make sure that you know exactly what you want them to work on that day and communicate that to them. Communicate your intentions so that they have a good idea of what the focus needs to be and where you would like to see results. Now, if you have received acupuncture before, you know about the time, the resting time, that the acupuncturist, after they have put all the needles in you, you get to just rest there. And this is your time to meditate, to breathe. This is your self-care time to really check in with your body, see what the needles are doing, feel if there's energy flow, or if your muscles are releasing, or if the tension in your head is diminishing, and really take advantage of this time. If you are somebody that tends to be someone who wants to move or you're anxious, I really encourage you to check back in and allow yourself to fully relax and be very present with your body. It amplifies how well and how fast you get results, I assure you. And if you fall asleep, I highly encourage the drooling. I don't know how many people fall asleep and they drool. It's so funny, especially when they're face down. If you're face down and you have a bunch of needles in your back, I swear, like, the drooling part is like, I don't know what's so therapeutic about that, but it is. Additionally, when the session is over, you need to continue that post-session care, right? Hydrate is number 1. It's going to release toxins from your tissue, from your muscles, from different areas of your body, and you need to flush that out so that you don't feel sore, so that you don't feel tired, or the potential flu symptoms that can happen. So if you've experienced that, then you're probably not drinking enough water after your session. So up your water and do some self-care. Go for light walks, do some yoga and some stretching, take a hot bath. Just allow your body to continue its process. Some people feel results immediately and others feel them gradually. They might not feel results until the next morning when they wake up. Or if sleep is the reason you're going, they might actually not experience relief until they're actually asleep and realize, I just slept through the whole night. whatever it is that you are going to acupuncturist for, commit to the process. If you have experienced anything chronically, whether it be pain, stress, anxiety, any sort of anything chronically, know that it's not going to be just one session and you're good. It's going to take time. There's going to be a gradual progression toward a healthy state for you. So commit to the process, commit to your health and the experience that each acupuncture session gives you. It's a gradually culminating process. Every little bit. People are like onions. We go through days thinking that one experience doesn't relate to the other, but it does. And an acupuncturist understands that. What's going on with your digestive system might be affecting why you're getting migraines, and vice versa. There are a lot of things that are connected in your body that an acupuncturist is there to ask unique questions and find those connections between why you have pain and why you're not sleeping well. There are a lot of different areas of our bodies that are connected that seem totally random. So peeling back that onion is kind of peeling back those layers is what needs to happen. So I encourage you to try acupuncture if you have not. If you're watching this just to get more information on it before you go to your first session, then check out my other video on what to expect in your first session. I will leave a link down in the show notes. And if you have experienced the AcuBliss or are curious about it, I will also leave a link down in the show notes for that video as well. Until next time, I wish you well.